This is a kind of a fun magic trick that I learned from my grandfather many years ago. It involves use of a pencil, and I'm going to turn this pencil into rubber, just like that. See, now when I move it up and down, the pencil bends just like that. I'll make the pencil solid again, watch, just like that. And again, it's a solid pencil. Now, you don't really need to send anyone out of the room for this demonstration where I teach you how it works, because it's just an optical illusion. It's not really a magic trick secret that we're divulging here. If you hold that pencil tightly between your thumb and finger and move it up and down, nothing happens. But if you hold it kind of loose so it can wiggle back and forth and you move it up and down, the optical illusion will make it look like that pencil is flexing and bending, but that's just an optical illusion by you holding it loosely in your finger and thumb. Now, you may notice that I move my hand towards one side of the middle or the other. That makes it a little bit easier to do that trick to get that bounce from the weight of the pencil. All right, that's the rubber pencil trick.